Number 6, adopt a philosophy of the rising tide floats all boats. I think many people, institutions, they have this attitude that it is a zero-sum game. You know, if Apple sells a PC, somebody else doesn't sell a PC. If Apple sells a phone, somebody else doesn't sell a phone. And if somebody else sells a phone, Apple doesn't sell a phone. And I think it's wrong. When you are instituting great changes, personal computing, IoT, internet, artificial intelligence, the rising tide floats all boats. And it's good for everyone. It's not about grabbing market share. It's to legitimize technology. It's to legitimize the market, and it's to legitimize what we all do. So to everyone, the rising tide floats all boats.